Hi Jane, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee Haley and said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you show up at the top of your customers' searches and get more customers. And the reason we're doing this is because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also understand business owners are really busy trying to run the business and they don't have that spare time to sit in front of the computer and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the business to them. And what we found is the biggest thing holding business owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing which one is going to be reliable and deliver results and which one is going to be a waste of money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been lots of business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. And we only like to take on one exclusive client in any area because we don't want to compete with ourselves. So if you're interested after this video, you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver the results you're looking for the ROI you're looking for, go ahead and give us a call and we can have a chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to the site yourself, that's absolutely okay. That's what this video is meant for. This is free education. So I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm looking at your site. You guys have the video, which is great. You've got click to call. That's beautiful. You also have your form to fill out, and that's exactly what you need to bring in those leads. So this is a good looking site. Now, the appearance of the site is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on looks. Google is actually using these bots called crawlers that are scanning all of the content within your site, and these bots are trying to find keywords to rank you for in customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then you want at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it's actually going to do 2 things for you. Google is going to see that you're an expert in the industry, and Google is going to be putting your site at the top of more search results, which means you're going to get more customers. Now, I have an example of a keyword here, which is Memphis roofing companies. This keyword is getting searched about 300 times a month. Now, when customers do a search, they're going to see a map pack like this, and this is the Google My Business. This is geographic based, so if you have multiple service areas, you want to make sure that you get one listing set up for each area. Now, I know you guys are mainly in Memphis, so to get optimized here, you're going to be wanting to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get your contact information listed into citations, which are just online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There's thousands out there, but you need your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers call the most. Now, you'll notice I didn't even cover Google ads. The reason being is because a lot of people use ad blocker. So that's not our focus. Our focus is a better return on investment by you coming up naturally, not having to pay for that cost per click. Now, down here is the organic search results, and the top few sites are actually rotated by Google for the first position, but these are online directories, and your top competitor is actually Excellent Roofing, who's also the top of the map pack. So taking a look at their site to see what they've been doing, that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to have you beating them on content. But for the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. Now, this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So I can see here your homepage has a ranking of 33, and your entire website has a domain ranking of 12. And these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made by the backlinks. A backlink is when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. Google uses this to be competitive, so you got to be careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. Right now you have 806 links coming from 308 sites. You have 946 keywords, and I also want you to pay attention to your 36 ads that you are running. A lot of these are competitor names. You have a couple that are buyer intent, which is great. That's what you want to be getting. And then some of them aren't even in service areas you cover. So I would go back through and just keep an eye on what kind of keywords you're targeting, because you want to make sure you're getting a return on investment. Laminated shingles price, $3.50 a click, probably not a good return on investment because it's getting 10 searches across the country. It's just a waste of money. Roofers in Memphis, Tennessee is a good one. It's $10 a click, and there's 20 searches happening a month. Roof curb manufacturers is $5 a click, and it gets 60 searches nationwide. So that's not really a great keyword for you guys. So just be cautious with what keywords you're targeting, because again, the goal is ROI, return on investment. Right now, all of this is giving you 357 traffic on average each month. Now, if we take a look at your competitor at Excellent Roofing, who we know is ranking naturally, we're going to see that they have a high ranking site. They're matched for the homepage, but their domain ranking is higher. So we actually have our work cut out for us. We will search through their 4,000 backlinks to find the highest quality ones to put on your site and give you that authority. Then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using, and we will add them to your site so that your site dominates the market. Now, their links are only coming from 320 sites. So that's actually just a little more than you guys have. But you're also going to see they have 1,000 keywords, and they're not using any ads, no Google ads, but they're generating on average 846 traffic each month. So even if half the visitors to their site became customers, they're still looking at 400 plus roofing opportunities a month. And that's without running ads. So I wanted to show you guys there's a better way to get that business you're looking for. And it's just about using Google's language to pop up in these types of searches your customers are using. Quick recap, you'll want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. Then you need to get your contact information into as many online directories as you can to optimize your GMB or Google My Business. And you want to go get high quality backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry and high ranking. If you guys do these 3 steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google. I know it's a lot of information and this video went kind of long, but take this, apply it yourself. It's totally okay. It's free education. My team is looking for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. However, if you guys did want help getting this stuff done because you see the value in it and you're looking to grow and get more business, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we're going to be a good fit, because we are looking to only take on one exclusive client in the area, and we want to get your phone ringing off the hook with customers and employees. If you even need to grow your crews, we've got that covered. Haley will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback. So I just want to say thank you for letting us send the video and taking the time to watch it. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.